Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja and today I would be your examiner for this part of the test. This test would be recorded. What is your full name?
My name is Tura Mandeep Kaur.
How may I call you?
You may address me as Aman.
Where do you come from, Aman?
I come from a small village, Akkawali. It is in the district of Fatehabad in the state of Haryana.
May I see your identification, please?
Yes, here is my passport.
Thank you, Aman. Are you working or studying?
I am still a student.
What are you doing in studies?
I am pursuing development skill classes as my recent qualification was Bachelor's of Pharmacy.
Okay, can you describe your hometown?
My hometown is very beautiful as there is very small population and all the basic facilities are provided by the government.
Okay. Aman, few questions will be based on furniture. Do you have a lot of furniture in your house?
Yes, we have enough furniture but not a lot. We have everything to live comfortably as well as including some large wardrobes, cupboards, beds, but still there is some space in my room and in my home also.
Is there anyone who bought furniture for you in the past?
I don't think so. To be very honest, I never thought of receiving any wooden table or a table or a wooden chair in my birthday celebration or ceremonies because it is generally people preferring to choose for themselves.
Okay, what kind of furniture would you like to buy?
In future, I would like to buy chest of drawers or a computer desk with full storage where I can easily keep my all notebooks as well as stationeries.
Okay, which furniture do you find best in your house?
In my house, there is a pretty standard 3-seater sofa from IKEA and it is very light in pink color and minimalized design. And I'm very fond of my sofa where I snug upon with my loved ones and I spend quality time with my family members also.
Okay, few questions will be based on bags. Do you like bags?
Yes, definitely. I'm very fond of buying bags. There are different types of bag in my collection such as sling bag, tote bags, shoulder bag, backpacks and handbags.
And what type of bags you like most?
Mostly I prefer using handbags and shoulder bags.
Do you carry?
Yes, I mostly carry bags. It would be unpleasant for me have without bag whenever I go out.
Do you use bags?
Yes, I definitely use bags on my daily basis.
For what purpose do you use? What do you put in those bags?
I put different kinds of things in my bag according to the situation. If I'm going for my college or classes, I put my cell phone, water bottle, lunch box, many other accessories such as my important documents and sanitizer.
What sorts of bags do women like to buy?
It is very difficult to define what women like to buy, but nowadays it is very much famous among women to buy designer bags such as purse. They like to carry designer bags on different occasions such as marriage, birthday celebration, which really suits their outfit.
Few questions would be based on mirror. How often do you look at yourself in the mirror every day?
I would say there is no specific time to look at the mirror, but mostly I look at the mirror in the morning.
Why?
Because whenever I get up, I like to look at myself and how much I'm beautiful is.
Have you ever bought mirrors?
Yes, many a times in my life I have bought many different kinds of mirrors such as some have oval shapes, square shapes, and I mostly prefer to buy mirrors which have wooden frames.
Okay. Would you use mirrors to decorate room?
Yes, I am very fond of decorating my rooms with different types of mirror as it enhances the lighting effect in my room, and whenever I click my picture in the mirror, it looks very pretty much happier.
Thank you. This is the end of the part 1.
Thank you.
Now we are moving to cue card.
Yes.
This is a cue card, Aman, and you will be given 1 minute to plan your answer, and you will have to speak approximately 2 minutes. You can use paper and pencil to make notes if you wish to.
Well, doing a job or a business is a paramount for each and every person to survive in this world. There are many jobs in my country which are well paid. For an example, doctor, nurses, teachers, politicians, scientists and workers and many so on. But here I would like to talk about a job which I think it is perfect for me. This is the job of pharmacist. I got to know about this job from my brother's friend. He is a quality assurance manager in the pharmaceutical company. So I thought of doing this job as well, as I have pursued in bachelor's of pharmacy, and I was very good at science and biology from my primary level. This is the job of pharmacist, where they are also known as medical professionals, which are very familiar with the dispensing and the formulation of medicine. Pharmacists mostly guide their patients about the prescription which is prescribed by the doctors, as well as they give information about the over-counter medicines. You can also call them druggist and chemist. Medical professionals are they are playing a significant role in health science, as they are very familiar with the many ingredients which are present in the medicines, and they also guide many patients to recover very quickly with the benefits of having medication. There are many sectors where pharmacists can work, such as nowadays there are well-known pharmaceutical companies such as Sun Pharma and Cadila. And if a person want to work abroad, so there are multinational companies which are working on different medicines and research right now, such as Pfizer and Merck Co. who are going through the trials of vaccines of coronavirus. So I'm very pretty much sure to do this job, because this job will be satisfying my inner peace, as well as this job will give me a good pay, where I can help my parents to enhance the facilities of my home. As well as I'm very happy to serve for my country, as I was interested in health science from my primary school. This job really helps many people to overcome the diseases such as depression, arthritis, asthma, because medical professionals are having knowledge about all medicines, and you can also call them the second hand of the doctors. In the absence of doctors, pharmacists are mostly preferred by the many patients, and mostly citizens take advice of the pharmacist before taking any medicine. Pharmacists are the only one person who can guide you at what time, at which time, at what time, and at which meal you should have your medicine. Before the time, if you take medicine, what are the causes and the side effects? If you take on time medicine, what are the benefits of the medicines on your body system?
Okay, Aman. Thank you for this session. Now it's time to ask some follow-up questions. Do you think you want to take up this job?
Yes, definitely. I'm very fond of medical science, and I want to take this job because it will really satisfy my inner peace.
How?
As well, if I'm very passionate about this job. So when I'm interested in this sector, definitely it will satisfy my inner peace, and I will more concentrate on my work without any pressure.
Okay. How you can work without any pressure? You said you can work without
Because
pressure.
I will be very familiar with the environment and with all the requirements of the work.
Okay. What occupation should be given a better pay according to you?
There are many jobs in my country which are already having a good pay, but according to me, the workers who are working in the multinational companies as a manufacturing process, they should be given a better
Why
pay.
do you think so?
Because they have a very workload pressure, and they work for 24 hours sometimes, and they also take 48 hours. And sometimes workers also do some overtime, but they don't get a better pay from the organization.
Why? Why they do not get the better pay?
Because it is a mentality of people in every country that workers are doing just a manufacturing process.
Do you really think that only the people who are working in the multinational company, they should be more? They should be paid more, not other categories?
No, as well as other categories also should be given better pay. But according to me, as I earlier mentioned, I'm very familiar with the companies. So I have seen many workers working very hard for many hours.
Okay. Is being rich a good thing?
Yes, I would say it is very good to be a rich person, as
Why?
it shows it shows your past struggle, how much you have dedicated towards your work, and how you struggle to achieve your goal.
So you mean to say that people can become rich by their hard work only?
Uh, no, actually, but they also gain many knowledge, and they take the requirements in depth knowledge about the job which they are pursuing.
Do you think people should save for the future?
Uh, Yes, definitely. As people are working very hard to secure their future, because nowadays people are working very hard and they are saving money, because time is unpredictable, as we don't know about the future. So whenever there is any emergency in our family members or in on our, so we can use that money in our tough times.
What make a person choose a job apart from the pay it off?
Apart from a payoff, uh, employees mostly prefer like they having some blood relations in the companies or in different sectors, as well as they get many promotions. Some are getting promotions and some are also getting many bonuses on their success
But
or
this
achieving.
is also a part of money. I said that without considering the pay. What other aspects while choosing a job people consider?
uh, Blood relationships, as well as their connections with different people, and the relationship which they have built up during the creating a network of contacts.
Don't you think some other aspects are there behind? I mean, proximity to home, or the nature of your boss or director and your peers. Don't you think these aspects are also essential?
These aspects are also essential, but it also relate to the money. As if you are very familiar with your boss, for an example, you are very familiar with the boss, so you are always listening to your boss, and definitely you will get promotion and you will get some bonus also.